Hello everyone, today I'm doing some work to my 200. This is all happening, I'm not involved in that. It's Mark and Kenny at MG Autotech who are dealing with that, but today I'm going to be trying to get I'm going to try to be getting some sort of firewall situation between there, so there's basically some sort of way of blocking all what happens there, because the back in here now is everything like the obviously completely cut out, so I just want to have some way of blocking that off, even with the car, and the floor was in it and things before when I was running it at full chat third gear. This thing you could be in like 2-3 minutes you were filling it with smoke, so I'm just kind of trying to stop the cabin being completely full of smoke. So I've got this bit of metal which I'm going to try and cut to shape, and then I've got we can kind of see them on that side. There's those big things, and they go straight down into my lovely cut arch, so blanking them off as well, just to try and keep the smoke out of the car, and any crap that's getting kicked up from the rear out of the inside of the car. Try and also keep the inside of the car nicer. So yeah, I'm going to start doing that. So what I'm going to try and do is make it run the top edge of the steel along there, kind of like that, and then just trying to get it to come down to here somehow. I'm not entirely too sure, so then that'll kind of frame it out, and then make another piece that'll go in there. Hopefully that works. So that is first kind of cuts in, so hey, just up along there, and just kind of notching it, needing to come notched down. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do here, but first of all I'm going to get it so it can in here, and then see where this sits and see what to do there. So we'll just make a cut up here, bend that up and push it back. Same on that side, but yeah, not a bad start. Try and get in the line up here so it kind of follows up. Instead of going to cut it, I'm going to bend it, because then at least I can bend it back. It's getting there. Kind of want it to sit in along here, just onto this edge here, so I need to bring it up a touch more. And it's got quite a lot higher this side. Just up, yeah, not too much, but yeah, more measuring. Oh, man. So it's getting there. Just getting this line right is difficult. So this bit here, and I'm leaving this and I might cut it out a bit more because this is where I can run some the pipes for the rear mounted radiator there, and I'm going to have here. I've got a electric water pump, so that can sit here. So that will run into here, and then hopefully run down along the tunnel, them coming up and into there. So that's a plan for that. And more measuring, and then cutting, and then measuring, and then cutting, and then measuring, and hopefully not cutting too much. Kind of fitting really nice up along there. We've got to now just between there and there, and that should be it along this edge. And then I kind of got to work out what to do in here. Kind of gets a bit complicated, but yeah. That's a good start. And then I've got to do my Naca Ducts. So what I've got is, right, hang on, let me show you. Ooh, gymnastics. So these things, they are, how do they go? Yeah, so they are going to mount juggling stuff like that, and then they feed down into here. So I'm going to run pipes, so the pipe will go from there, and then I'm going to cut some holes in here. So I'm still to work that bit out, but I've got pipe that size.
See what you're doing in there?
Can I see what I'm doing? Oh, what's light's that? That looks like a good light. Can I have that light?
You can have that light.
Oh, that's awesome. Thanks. Awesome. I'm going to keep that light forever, shall I?
I've had it for a while now.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh,
it's good though.
Is it good?
Yeah,
oh, well,
good.
Excellent. Well, I'll keep that there. That's wonderful. That makes things easier. Right, so here's Naca Duct kind of placed. So they will come out here, pitch pipe, and go to here. So I've got some pipe, and I'm going to cut it at an angle to kind of set it there, so it's facing as close as I can get to there. So they'll blow through there and straight into there, which means I'll get air into the back. I also plan on cutting the boot lid, so we've got air coming down to the bottom. So that's from the side coming through, and then also through the back. So that's plan A. So I've got these two bits of cut. Now the plan is they kind of go from there to here, so I'm looking about there. So that one there, and that one about there. Then smooth this off. Right, oh, they need tacked in place, but there we go. So the way I have these as well, I have them so they actually go through, so the air goes right through, and there's not like it's even. These edges aren't perfect, but they'll all be welded up, but because the air goes from there all the way through into there, straight into the back, there's no edges around here to bugger it all up. So yeah, so one side done, another side to do. So put some light on. Kind of done. Everything's cut. I have to sort this bit out, but yeah, that's the vents to allow. So Naca Ducts. It's not one up on that side, but there will be. So I'm going to get Perspex windows black. Oh, they'll go opaque as well. So, and then a pipe from there to there. Oh, stay. And then from there to there. And they kind of, they're reasonably well positioned. Quite chuffed with myself. Right, I think that's me done for the day. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.